Hello YouTube, and welcome to our channel. Today, I'll be sharing with you a profitable method using RainBet that you won't want to miss. Use my referral link to gain instant access to the giveaway. The direct link is in the description below and also pinned in the comments for easy access. So, what's next? Let's walk through the steps together. First, connect your MetaMask wallet. Add Ethereum to your MetaMask. The minimum requirement is 0.5 ETH. Here are the rules and estimated profits based on your investment level. To get a chance to win $20,000, you need to add between 6 to 10 Ethereum to your wallet. All right, let's get started. For me, I've added $17,312.41 worth of Ethereum into my MetaMask wallet. Now, let's connect our wallet. Make sure your network is set to Ethereum. Next, click Confirm to automatically add the funds. The funds now show up in my profile and are also visible in my MetaMask account. Let's refresh the page. The pending reload is now $7,790.40. That's more than 40%. The claim button appears automatically if you've added between 2 and 5 ETH. You can claim it as Ethereum or convert it to Jetons if you want to play directly on RainBet. For me, I'll claim it in my MetaMask wallet. Now, click Claim. Let's check our wallet. Sent successfully. And look, it now shows in my wallet and has been removed from the pending reload balance. By the way, if you play, you'll also get 7% cash back from RainBet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more crypto guides, bots, and tutorials.